Hello, we are Group 3, and this is the IST 412 product demo. Group consists of Carson Brown, Elise Perone, Davis Johnson, Austin Miller, and Stephen Graff. The goal of this project was to develop a medical record keeping system that would allow patients to view their medical records and allow medical personnel to add and access the medical records of the clients that they're working with. While 4 use cases were required, our group ended up finishing with 6 different use cases. Our application allows the user to create a new user, sign in and log out of users in the system, allow clients to open their own medical records, allow EMS personnel to add medical records to any client, allow doctors to add medical records to clients who have them as their chosen doctor, and persist information so that the application can be opened and all previously added information will still exist. So when you open the application, this will be the screen that you see. Here we'll demonstrate our first use case, creating a new user. We'll enter the username and password and be directed toward the sign up screen. We'll input a name. In this case we'll use Ringo. We'll select EMS for this example and we'll choose to complete the sign up. You'll then be taken to the EMS screen and we'll sign out here because we don't have any more information. We'll see now that we can log in and we'll get back to that EMS screen. But if we click on the customer, there's only one client. This is the client that we had added in the beginning just as a test user. We'll sign out now and add a new client. We'll just call him new client. And here we'll add a name, client, and his main doctor will be set to test because that's the only doctor we have in the system right now. We'll complete the sign up and see that there are no files, and we'll sign out. Now that we go into the EMS though, just give it a sec, we'll see that new client is now an option of a customer. We'll click get file, another use case to select a file, and add the vaccination record that we want and add it to new client. We'll hit submit and be told that our file is successfully added. Now we'll log back in as new client, and you can see now that the vaccination file is there, and when we click open file it will open for the client to see. If we choose save and close, the data will be saved, and when we run the program again, as I do here, we're able to log in as new client, and the file that was added last time we ran the program will still be there, and we'll still be able to open it. Now we'll sign out, and we'll create a new doctor. The doctor, we'll call him new doctor. We'll choose sign up. We'll give him a name. We'll just call him Doc, and we'll add him to doctor, and we'll complete the sign up. We can see that he has no clients to select from because doctors can only select from clients that have that specific doctor set as the doctor. We'll create a new client called Doc Client, and we'll go to sign up. We'll give him any name. In this case, we'll name him John, and we'll set his main doctor to new doctor, and we'll choose complete the setup. He has no files, but we'll sign out and log in as new doctor. Log in again. And now we can see that Doc Client is a client that we're able to choose from. We can't upload a document yet because we haven't chosen a file, but we'll go in, choose a file we want to add, upload the document, be prompted with the success message, and we'll be able to sign out. Now, if we log in as Doc Client, like we will do here, we'll be able to see that the file that we had added is able to be viewed by the client. We can sign out, and that's the basic flow. If we try to log in as a client, as a user that doesn't exist, we'll be told that the login failed. If we try to sign up with the username that's already being used, it will tell us that the sign up has failed. These response messages are consistent across the program. With that, our product demo is wrapped up. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration.